ABC 27 Investigates first exposed a billion-dollar medical device scheme and exclusively found these images of the feds raiding several businesses right here in Florida. Now, ABC 27 investigative reporter Katie LaGrone is continuing her years-long coverage into this investigation.
A key player is sentenced to prison for his role in the scheme, and agents say it preys on the elderly and steals from all of us.
3 years later, a major player in a medical device scheme the feds dubbed one of the costliest to taxpayers in U.S. history is sentenced to 15 years in prison. Significant in the world of healthcare fraud in Florida. During his hearing, 53-year-old Patsy Joseph Chuglia of Broward County offered remorse, telling a federal judge he was deeply sorry and selfish when he committed his crimes. But the convicted felon, whose criminal history includes healthcare fraud, will now pay a healthy price for yet another one. The likes of which we were first to expose back in 2019. That's when we discovered medical devices, including orthopedic braces, being shipped to Medicare patients who didn't want them, need them, or order them, but kept getting the calls.
2 or 3 times a day.
And then the goods.
Harassing.
Wait till you see this.
Over and over, we spoke to recipients who showed us their unwanted deliveries.
I mean, look at this.
This woman's mother shipped a brace for multiple body parts.
A knee brace, a wrist brace, another knee brace. If she put all this on, she'd look like a robot.
We trace shipments to more than a dozen different so-called medical supply companies around Tampa Bay, most of them empty. In this one St. Pete office building, we found 9 medical device companies before the feds raided them as part of a nationwide crackdown dubbed Operation Brace Yourself. The feds say they were all fronts to a multi-million-dollar scheme using telemarketers and telemedicine to bribe doctors, exploit the elderly, and steal from taxpayers who ultimately foot the bill.
This scheme is an old scheme. What we saw in 2019 was just another iteration of a classic fraud scheme.
That continues to this day, and Florida remains fertile ground.
These defendants, much like anybody else involved in financial fraud, are motivated by greed, and these guys were greedy to the nth degree.
Which brings us back to Patsy Chuglia, who the feds say between 2018 and 2020 orchestrated his own elaborate brace scheme using a telemarketing company he owned and several turnkey medical supply companies he bought from this woman. The feds say his network bribed doctors to sign off on unnecessary medical braces for Medicare recipients, all so he and his conspirators could get rich on the taxpayer's dime, collecting to the tune of over $18 million in illegal Medicare reimbursements before Operation Brace Yourself shut him down. Chuglia joins 70 others now convicted as part of this federal takedown, among them his wife. To date, the federal government has recovered $325 million from this 2019 Operation Brace Yourself. Katie LaGrone, back to you.